Climb inside the 2008 Saturn VUE. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.